Hello, saxophone friends. This is going to be a warm up for beginning band students who only know about 3 notes on their instrument so far: the B, the C, and the D. We're going to play this note for as long as we can, matching me as you play. 1, 2, 1, 2. Here we go again on a B, as long as you can. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. C, for as long as you can. 1, 2. Nice work. Nice work. Here we go. One more time on a C. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. D. 1, 2, 3. Last rep, last note of the warm up. 1, 2, 3. All right, great.